What is detox? Detox means cleansing. Detox in general is a way of calling that cleansing of your body. You have your cars. You take your cars for service every 6 months, some every 1 year. But have you ever thought your body also requires servicing? You eat so much junk. We eat all the time pollution and wrong water, foods. We are ingesting, I don't know what kind of junk in our body we are putting on the name of food, pizza, fast food. I don't know. It's a variety of things. And there is no way other than going to, morning bowel movement. We don't do anything which can help in cleansing. And that is also today's of this. We are facing constipation, we are facing bloating, and we are just getting into, because of these bloating and constipation, when the bowel movement is not normal, you get into metabolic disorders. So it's like a vicious cycle which we are always in there. So it is very important that, like our cars, like our home cleaning, we also do our body cleansing. That is what it's detox in layman's terms. You want to remove all the accumulated toxins, undigested proteins, undigested foods, whatever is cloaked in your intestine, different organs, kidney, liver, anywhere in blood. So the detoxification can be at different level. It can be at cellular level, it can be at simple organ level, it can be through juices, it can be through foods, it can be through fasting, and it can be through autophagy. Autophagy is a phenomena which is, was done in Indian cultures and other cultures through fasting, where people would fast for longer terms to cleanse your body. Now in 2016, this autophagy phenomena was acknowledged, and the discoverer of this was given Nobel Prize. But there are many methods of detox, and each one has their benefits. What I'm going to suggest today is 3 simple methods which immensely helpful, very simple. They take only 10 to 20 minutes to do these 3 routines, 3 rituals I call them. If you follow these 3 rituals every day in the morning, you are going to have immense benefits to your oral health, your bowel movements, your diabetes, your arthritis, your skin, you name many, your eye health. So many things will be benefit with these 3 simple methods. Let's start discussing one by one.